How to check junk messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Filters. And then, go to Unknown Senders. You can now view all your spam texts over here. Alternatively, go back and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app on iPhone is a pre-installed application that allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. Go to the iCloud section and tap on Junk. You can view all your junk mails over here. Following these steps, you can easily check junk messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.